What is the ADA? The ADA is the Americans with Disabilities Act, which was established in 1990. It prohibits discrimination based on disability. In the employment context, it means that certain employers cannot discriminate against employees or potential employees based on their disability status. What is the FMLA? The FMLA is the Family Medical Leave Act, which was established in 1993. The FMLA requires certain employers to provide 12 weeks of unpaid leave to employees with medical or family needs that meet qualifying criteria. FMLA leave protects your job while you are unable to work for a qualifying reason. What accommodations is my employer required to provide under the ADA? It depends. ADA covered employers must engage in what is called the interactive process. This is a meaningful dialogue between the employee and the employer to determine what accommodations the employee needs. Thereafter, the employer must provide any reasonable accommodations they can without subjecting the employer to undue hardship. The employer is not obligated to provide the exact accommodation requested by the employee or to create a new job to specifically fit the employee's abilities. A reasonable accommodation can be anything ranging from more frequent breaks or a modified schedule to a special work chair or extra time off. Who can I take FMLA leave for? You can take FMLA leave on behalf of yourself for your own medical condition or certain family members, such as a spouse, child, or parent. You can also take FMLA leave for the birth of a child or to bond with your newly adopted child. What is my employer required to provide under the FMLA? FMLA covered employers must provide qualifying employees with 12 work weeks of unpaid, job protected leave. Once an employee returns from FMLA leave, the employer must allow them to return to the job they had before they took FMLA leave or to an equivalent job with equivalent pay, benefits, and other terms and conditions of employment. This is just a brief overview of frequently asked questions about the ADA and FMLA. Lone Star Legal Aid may be able to offer you free assistance with your employment leave and accommodation needs through a medical legal partnership. Ask your clinic staff for an MLP referral form to see if you qualify for Lone Star Legal Aid's free legal services.